Here we come to the elevators at 14140 Southwest Freeway in Sugar Land, Texas. It's an Otis Series 1, which is almost exactly like what Sugar Creek Place 1 originally had before it got modernized, or at least something similar. Oh, I got a fan, so I don't know how well we're able to hear this motor. Ford? I think this elevator was installed in 1997, the exact year I was born. But I'm not sure. I know Sugar Creek Place 1 was installed in 97. There's a desk right here. Yeah, there's a desk out there. I went right into a desk out there, so I don't want to interfere with them. Anyways, there's your basic cab. Yeah, you can't hear the motor well with a fan. These are fixtures. They're Series 1 fixtures. There's your ADA compliant phone. We're gonna get the other car. Hopefully the other car does not have that fan on. I want to hear the motor. Oh good, we don't have a fan. Nice, we can hear the motor. We don't have to worry about that annoying fan. I can still hear that fan from the other elevator. These doors are obnoxious too. When the elevator car came down, I just heard a bump, meaning that something hit the door clutch. The elevators with the Series 4 fixtures, so I forgot the name of the building. That one was installed in 2000. Listen how loud these doors are. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and get off because I don't want to cause any more disturbance. For those who are wondering, if you guys don't know, I actually came here way in my early days before I even started my YouTube channel and rode these elevators ever since. I mean, I did record them, but I unfortunately lost the video of them. Sugar Creek Place 1 is the only video I have from back in that time. Anyways, there it goes, and that's it.